Good day, welcome to Science. This is Ray Valencia, and I will be discussing to you about the genetics. Come, let's join with me as we explore this genetics. Let's start with our objectives. To define and explain what is genetics. To explain how do chromosomes work. These are our vocabulary words. Genetics, heredity, deoxyribonolic acid, or simply called DNA. Sex chromosomes, meiosis, traits, chromosomes, chromatin, zygote, autosomes. Now, it is your turn. Are you ready? Let's begin with good job. That was awesome. Every living organism is made up of many different traits or distinguishing characteristics that make it a unique individual. A new baby may look like his or her parents in some traits. For example, her hair may have the same color as her mother. Her skin may have the same color as her father. She can roll her tongue as her mother can. Certain traits in plants and animals have qualities that people want to promote. For example, dog breeders have used the variation in traits of hair color to produce the white, black, and brown color variation of Labrador retrievers. This is Labrador retrievers. Such variations are achieved through selective breeding of individuals. That is, only certain individuals can show the desirable traits are permitted to reproduce. All right, moving on. Let us define what is traits. It is a distinguishing quality or characteristic, typically one belonging to a person. Remember this, typically one belonging to a person. This is the common things. People have learned from observations and experience that certain physical traits could be transmitted or inherited by each generation from the preceding generation. Look at the picture. What do you see? This is a very rare talent of an individual. This man maybe inherited this talent from the parents or maybe from the great-great-grandparents. Now, what is heredity? It is the passing of traits from parents to offspring through reproduction. Passing of traits from parents to offspring through reproduction. The study of heredity, all right, the study of heredity is called genetics. Remember this, the study of heredity is called genetics. Look at the picture. The dad, the mom, and the son. This boy may inherited the quality of his eyes from the father and the ears from the father, and from the mother, maybe he inherited the type of hair and his height, because both parents have passed through the trace of them to the offspring. The offspring is the son. Moving on. A living organism is made of cells. Living organism is made of cells. Just one living organism. A cell is made up of a nucleus, cytoplasm, and a cell membrane. Remember this, one single cell made up of nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane, wherein a living organism, a single living organism, is made up of cells. Moving on. The material inside the nucleus is made up of thread-like strands called chromosomes. Remember this, thread-like strands called chromosomes. The chromosomes carry information that controls the processes of life. The information about the processes of life is used to help a cell grow, thrive, and reproduce. This is nucleus. And the inside of nucleus, there are nucleolus, chromosomes, chromatin, nuclear pores, and nuclear envelope. Inside of this nucleus is the chromosomes. All right. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and proteins. Segments of DNA in the specific patterns are called genes. It is easy to say that DNA contains genetic information. A trait is a characteristic that an organism can pass through its genes because genes control traits. Remember, genes control traits. This is nucleus. This is the chromosome. And there's the chromosome. All right. There is what we call chromatin. All right. Our next slides will be showing you about this. Chromatin is a substance within a chromosomes consisting of DNA and protein. A single chromosome has chromatin, which is a substance inside, right? Inside the chromosome, wherein this chromosome consisting of DNA and protein. Do not ever forget that, guys. Okay. Chromosomes look like a long limb white hot dogs. They usually found in pairs. All right. What do you see in the picture? These are the chromosomes of human. All right. Now, this is the human male karyotype. It has 22 chromosomes plus one sex chromosome. The normal male 2n equals 46 XY. 2 times 23 equals 46 XY. This is the normal male karyotype. All right. For the normal female, equals 2n equals 46 XX, 223 equals 46 double X. All right. Let me explain again on the next slide. The body cells of human contain 23 pairs of chromosomes, or 46 chromosomes. sex chromosomes are one of the 23rd. All right? Remember, a body cells of human contains of 23 pairs of sex chromosome or 46 chromosomes because you have multiplied with by 2. Then a single chromosome or sex chromosome are just one of the 23rd. So 22 plus 1, the 1 is the sex chromosome. We have learned that the union of sperm and egg, two cells, is to form a zygote. What are the two cells? Sperm and the egg. When they combine together, this is just to form a zygote. Where in zygote, it contains chromosome from both parents, but it does not contain double the number of chromosomes found in the normal body. You may ask how. The answer lies in a division process called meiosis. Teacher, I'm confused. Meiosis is a special type of cell division that occurs only in reproductive organs. It produces reproductive cells called gametes. All right? Remember this, meiosis is a special type of cell division that occurs in the reproductive organs of both parents, male and female. Then it produces reproductive cells and we called it gametes. When you combine between, when they are formed together as one, sperm and eggs, you called it gametes. This is haploid sex cells, right? Let's explain this. These are the parents, the father, and then the mother, all right? Now, the mother, the father, and meiosis, how this meiosis comes. We know that meiosis is a special type of cell division, that occurs only in the reproductive organ. From where? From the father and from the mother. Because meiosis produces reproductive cells called gametes. All right? Gametes from the female egg cell of the mother, wherein egg in N equals 23 chromosomes, and sperm from the father, sperm N equals 23. All right. So when you combine them together, the egg and the sperm is called gametes. Now, what's gonna happen? There will be a fertilization of eggs. And then after the fertilization, there will be diploid fertilized egg, 2N equals 46, or zygote, or we called it zygote. And then next is mitosis. Then after mitosis is multicellular diploid adults, wherein you can get the 46 chromosomes. 2N equals 46 chromosomes. All right, this is the explanation. These are the human chromosomes, all right? 23, 22 plus 1 sex chromosome, okay? Remember this, each human sperm or egg cell contains of 22 autosomes. 22 autosomes and 1 sex chromosomes, X or Y chromosomes. Remember this, all right? This is 22, right? 22 autosomes. Each human, either sperm or egg, okay? Not either, both sperm and egg has 22 autosomes plus 1 sex chromosomes. We cannot identify now if it is a boy or a girl because autosomes are chromosomes that are not directly involved in determining the sex of an individual. Remember this, 22 autosomes and 1 sex chromosomes. You cannot determine whether it is a boy or a girl because these chromosomes are not directly involved in determining the sex of an individual. All right. Females, 2 chromosomes double X, males, 1 chromosome of X and 1 Y chromosome. All right. Now, I believe that you are already prepared for this activity. Don't worry, this is a simple activity. I just need you to get a paper and a pencil or pen, write your name, student number, class, and number your paper from 1 to 9. All right, are you ready? This is your questions. These are your questions. Diploid and haploid. Column 1, column 2, and column 3. In column 1, you have the species name. Column 2, number of chromosomes in diploid cells, 2n. And the column 3, number of chromosomes in haploid cells. All right, human, housefly, monkey, bat, king crab, goat, rice, armadillo, chicken, leopard frog. All right, this and maybe this one is an extra challenge for you. All right, guys, thank you and good luck for your activity. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on our next class video. Bye-bye.